Hey guys, so today I'm here with the RedRock 4x4 rocker guards in texture black, fitting all 2018 and up four-door JL Wranglers. So if you're not a fan of the factory side step, or you didn't even get a pair right out of the factory, and you're looking for something that's going to take up this space, but is also going to provide you some heavy-duty protection, these rocker guards by RedRock are going to be a perfect solution to take a look at. So these are going to be mostly for protection. They're made of a heavy-duty steel tube construction that's going to be able to take a hit from any low-hanging obstacles, any stumps or any rocks that you may come down on the trail. And this is also going to have a nice two-stage textured black powder coat finish on it. That's going to obviously resist any rust or corrosion on the steel underneath. But what's also going to do, it's going to match with any other textured black accents that you already have on your Wrangler and give you some off-road feel as well as an off-road look. So what I do really like about these rocker guards is the fact that you do get some underbody protection as well as some side protection, and this hugs very nicely up against our rocker. So like I said, if you do come down on anything or if you do scrape up against some rocks, this is going to be the first to take the blow, keeping your rocker safe. So these are going to be roughly $250 on the page, and that's a very affordable price point for what these are. Now these are going to be pretty simplistic, however these are definitely going to serve that function of protecting your rocker while also giving you a sleek look. But those other options that you may be taking a look at on the page are usually going to consist of side steps that will double in that side protection, whether it's heavy duty protection or lighter protection, but they're also going to give you that boost up into your Wrangler, that double purpose. There are also going to be those very expensive options that you may be seeing on the page that are bolted up to the side of your Wrangler, the side of the body here, and that's going to give you the ultimate protection that your rocker may need. However, if you're not looking to do all that, you're not looking to drill into your body, you're still looking for some heavy-duty side protection with a little bit of a sleek look, this is going to be a great option to take a look at. So install is going to be a very light 2 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. You're probably going to need about 2 hours worth of your time and some basic hand tools to get the job done. So speaking of the install, let's jump into that now. The tools that I used for my install were an impact wrench, 1/4-inch drive ratchet, a 13mm and a 10mm deep socket, and a 10mm open-ended wrench. So to kick off this install, we will need to head underneath the Jeep. Just make sure you have all of your provided hardware and a 13mm deep socket, a 10mm deep socket, and a 10mm wrench, and a ratchet or an impact wrench. So I would recommend another hand for this, but we are just going to line this up with the holes in our body. Once it's up there, we can grab our larger provided hardware, the flat washer and the lock washer. Go ahead and thread that into your body mount. So what I find easiest, if you don't have an extra set of hands to help you out, all you have to do is basically press it up into place, take a pinch weld bolt, and you can put that through the pinch weld and hold the rocker up while you thread in your body bolts. So we're just going to take that larger provided bolt, the flat washer and lock washer, and go ahead and thread that into place. You're going to have 3 of these along the top side of your underbody. We're just going to thread that in, and we're going to do that for the other 2 sides as well, and they may be a little bit difficult to see, but it's going to be the same exact process. So that is in place. We're going to move to the other side. Then we can do the same thing for the last side. Now while holding our rocker up in place, trying to get it as close to the pinch weld as we can, we're going to go ahead and tighten down our body bolts with a 13mm socket. Same thing for the other sides. So after our body bolts are in, we can mount up our pinch weld bolts. You're going to be using the smaller hardware, 2 flat washers, and a nylon lock nut. We're going to place the bolts facing the inside and thread those on. After those are in place, we can take a 10mm wrench and a 10mm socket and tighten those down. Once everything's tight, all you have to do is repeat the process on the other side and you're all set to go. So that's gonna wrap it up for my review and install. Make sure you like and subscribe, and for more videos like this, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.